Guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about skincare ingredients. Now, I know skincare ingredients can be a little confusing for some people. It can feel like attending a science class. So, I'll break it down for you. These are some five ingredients that are very essential for everybody. No matter what your skin concerns are, I can assure you for a fact that these five ingredients will come in handy sometime or the other in your life. Having said that, if you're really interested in learning about ingredients, actives, the Dermaco has actually launched India's first masterclass where you can learn about skincare actives and what they do for your skin. So you can check it out. I myself attended some of these sessions and they're absolutely amazing, very relatable, very understandable. Plus, it's by the brand The Dermaco, a brand designed by dermatologists itself, right? So it's a very safe, effective, nice brand. I have talked about this brand for multiple times on my channel. Today, in fact, all the products shown in today's video are from the Dermaco. You can pick and choose, of course, but just some recommendations if you're really interested in learning about ingredients. Okay. Now, the first thing I really want to talk about is sorry, let me just check my hair. I'm very conscious of how my hair can look sometimes. Just pardon it, like I always say, right? Okay. Now, the first thing I want to mention, now this is an ingredient which is a must-have for every skincare routine, especially if you're over the age of 18, 20 years old. It's an absolute must-have, which is hyaluronic acid. Now, what does hyaluronic acid do? First of all, somebody recently asked me, Prachi, does it make my skin dark? I've heard that hyaluronic acid can actually cause wrinkles when you stop using it. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. Hyaluronic acid is actually a very safe ingredient because it's naturally present in your skin. It's naturally there, okay? But after a certain age, and it starts very early actually, your skin starts to have less hyaluronic acid. So the amount of hyaluronic acid in your skin starts to deplete naturally. Okay, just a natural process. So when you apply skincare products, of late I've been loving this sunscreen which contains hyaluronic acid because it's so easy to work with this. It's a great sunscreen. Plus it contains hyaluronic acid, so like multiple benefits. When you start using products with hyaluronic acid, it helps to replenish that in your skin. What does it do? Number one, it actually makes your skin look plumped up, fresh, hydrated, because it can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. So if you want your skin to look polished, if you want your skin to look nice, this is something which can help you tremendously. A lot of people, you might notice that you could be wearing the most expensive makeup but your skin doesn't look very good. It's probably because your skin is lacking in hyaluronic acid. Maybe your skin is dehydrated. Include this in your skincare routine, guys. You will see the transformation happen. Okay, and no, it doesn't cause wrinkles, it doesn't cause skin darkness. No, it can actually help with the wrinkles to a huge extent. All right, the next ingredient that deserves a special mention is vitamin C. It is a powerhouse of benefits when you include this in your skincare routine. Now, again, there are multiple ways of including vitamin C in your skincare routine, but I will mention one thing, that when you're using a vitamin C skincare product, be very careful if you're stepping out in the sunlight. Cover yourself up with sunscreen really well, because vitamin C and sun don't go very well. Having said that, what does vitamin C do? It actually helps in dealing with suntan, okay, when you use it regularly. It makes your skin look more radiant. It also helps in dealing with uneven skin tone. It also helps with light marks and things like that. Most importantly, vitamin C is also something that that has antioxidant properties. So I always give this example. When an apple falls from the tree, it gradually rots, right? It rots because of oxidation, its interaction with the oxygen in the air. The same way, your skin is also depleting with time. Vitamin C can actually help in reversing this. So it is so powerful, it is so beneficial. But make sure that whenever you're using vitamin C, serum, moisturizer, anything, pack it up with a nice dose of sunscreen, or simply use vitamin C night cream and things like that. Even that's really good. Another ingredient which is definitely an all-time dermatologist favorite, also one of my favorites, is salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It's an oil soluble ingredient. Okay, it's oil soluble ingredient which goes into the deeper layers of your skin. So what does it actually do? Sorry, science class. What does it do? It pulls out all the bad stuff from your skin. Bad stuff meaning the sebum. If you have excess sebum production, all the dead skin cells, it can help in pulling that out. Because it is oil soluble, it mixes with things like sebum, which is oily in nature, and pulls it out. Okay, water and oil don't mix, so anything watery will not help with that. But beta hydroxy acid and oil soluble acid can do that for you. Okay, I hope this is making sense. Now salicylic acid is absolutely brilliant for every skin type. Okay, it's something which people with sensitive skin can also use. Dermatologists recommend it all the time, and it helps in dealing with acne primarily. It also helps in dealing with enlarged pores. This particular product which I recently discovered, where is it? I've actually never mentioned this on my channel, so let me just tell you a little bit about this. There's a 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel for active acne. It also contains 3% sulfur, by the way. So sulfur basically helps to dry out the surface of your skin. Okay, so when you have excess oil, or in other words the sebum production, which contributes to the acne breakouts, sulfur can be a very useful ingredient to add. Okay, so this formula contains salicylic acid, 2% salicylic acid. I love this brand because it's such a clean, honest brand. Right in the name itself they have mentioned how much salicylic acid is there, 2%. Most brands don't do that. They'll just mention salicylic acid, but when you actually check the ingredient list, you'll not be able to tell how much of it is there. So the potency of the formula is a very important concern, and it should be there. So it does that. The Dermaco does that. It also contains sulfur. It also contains squalane, and this is something which is designed to use once a day. Now how do you use it? Obviously, first clean your skin really well. If you want, you can use an AHA BHA cleanser as well, and then just go ahead and use this on the affected area. For people with extremely bad case of acne, if you have acne throughout your face, or if you have a lot of acne and inflamed skin, it helps in dealing with the inflamed skin as well. You can actually apply it throughout your face, so depending on on who needs what. Now how often to use it? Like I just said, you use it once a day, and you should start seeing a difference within a couple of days. By the way, they're also running a 7-day money back challenge. 7-day money back challenge, where they say that if you don't see a difference in 7 days, you get your money back. Isn't that amazing? So I will put the link for this product in the description box below if you want to check it out. I personally think it's a fantastic product for anyone dealing with acne, enlarged pores, or inflamed skin, acne inflamed skin, things like that. This is something that you can definitely keep in handy. I'll put the link in the description box below. So yeah, you can get this on the dermaco.com, and you can use this coupon code SWS20 for flat 20% off. It's also available. The Dermaco products are also available these days on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, but I would always recommend buying it directly from the Dermaco website, because the 20% coupon code is a great way of saving 20% on your purchase. Another ingredient which I felt like absolutely had to be mentioned is retinol. Now when you have skin aging concerns, and let me pause right here, if you're really young, you might be thinking, what's the point? Well, at some point, the skin aging will happen, and honestly premature skin aging is a very popular concern these days. So retinol is something that everyone needs to know about, no matter how young you are, even right now. Retinol is something that helps to boost the production of collagen naturally in your skin. So what does collagen do? It improves skin elasticity, it improves the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. It also helps in dealing with age spots and similar scars, similar spots on your skin. A lot of people, when you might notice when they have skin aging issues, they also tend to have uneven skin tone. Okay, so this is something which can help with that too. Retinol is a fantastic ingredient to add to your skincare routine, and again, there's so many ways of including retinol in your skincare routine. You can use serums, you can use moisturizers, you can do whatever you want to do with it, but there are just so many ways of including this. So retinol is something that you definitely need to keep handy, or at least know about, because when the need arises, when you start using retinol, immediately your skin aging can be reversed much more quickly. And last but not the least is an ingredient that I feel absolutely deserves to be mentioned for every age group, for everyone out there, and that is niacinamide. Niacinamide, or niacin, or vitamin B3, you can call it whatever you want. Niacinamide is again a very powerful, a very potent ingredient, again recommended by dermatologists all over. What does niacinamide do? Number one, it helps in dealing with blemishes, acne spots, acne marks, other kinds of marks, also giving you an even skin tone, a more radiant skin tone. Now you can use it as a mask, you can use it as a serum. There are again so many products available in the market these days. You need to see what fits into your skincare routine, but start using niacinamide. If you have any bit of uneven skin tone, it will help you tremendously. Personally, even I used to have uneven skin tone here, around my eye area, especially over here. Niacinamide has helped me tremendously as well. So again guys, I'm just recommending products over here, but you need to figure out what works for your skincare routine. I wouldn't say that you change your entire skincare routine, especially especially if it's working very well for you. But figure out what can be added. For example, salicylic acid gel, right? It's a gel, so it's a spot treatment gel, so it's something which can be included very easily in a skincare routine. A niacinamide face mask is something which you can use just once or twice a week. You don't even have to make it a part of your regular routine, and so on and so forth. So you have to see what can be fit in where. Get a bit creative, but knowing about your actives and understanding what they do can definitely be beneficial, and especially when you put it to use, of course. So guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about these ingredients. Have you used any of them yourself? And of course, I'll share the link for the Derma Co in the description box below. You can check it out with the 20% off code, which is SWS20 for flat 20% off. This coupon code you can use across website on all products except for combo products, because they're all on a discounted price. Check it out, you'll be able to figure it out for yourself. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.